Hello viewers, welcome to Adda 247. Today in our reasoning session, we will discuss something regarding machine input. As we all face that in machine input, the basic problem is the problem of time. We need to solve each and every steps, then only we can encounter the questions. So today I am here just to tell you how to solve machine input without writing each and every step. That is, without using very less pen paper work. Okay, let's discuss our first question. See, before proceeding towards the trick, how to simplify machine input in just a single line without writing each and every step, our first concerned area is just to trace out the logic that what is going on in the given input. See, the basic structure of the question is like this. Input is given to you and it is simplified in various several steps. And here it is termed as step 5th is the last step, and there are some more instructions given as per the above arrangement solve the given below input. Means as per this is simplified, you have to simplify the same logic in the given input. Now our first concerned area is just to find out the logic that what is going on in the given input. We have seen, see, the first basic criteria should be you have to observe it that what is going on. It is a single base shifting or it is a double base arrangement. See, now we can clearly see that it is not a single sided one, it is a double sided one. How we concluded that? Occur is coming in the first position in step first and 20 went to the last position. It clearly implicates that the movement is going from both the sides. And when we further see, the movement is going from the both the sides, but that also in the outward format. Outward format, I mean to say that the next element or the new element is going just outward of the previous elements. The shifting is not going towards the inward. There are two types of arrangement. Shifting can be inward also and it can be outward also, but in this question it is going in outward direction. Now our first concerned area is to find out the logic. When we have seen the words, we will discriminate it just from the given first letter of the given word. When we have seen the first letter of the given word, then we can clearly see O, U, A. Yeah, clearly these are the vowels. R, Z, these are the consonants. But again the same thing, the vowel are not following a particular pattern. By particular pattern I mean to say it should be A, O, U. Neither they are in alphabetical order nor they are in the reverse alphabetical order. So this logic has been discriminated. Now we will think something else. What about something else? Now the first concerned area. Now what we have to do, just write whatever the letters, first letter of each and every word, just write the first letter of each and every word in alphabetical order. When we will write it in alphabetical order, then our arrangement will come something A, O, R, U and at last Z. When we will write the first letter of the given words, then our arrangement will be like this A, O, R, U, Z in alphabetical sequence. Okay, let's discuss about numbers also. What can we do with numbers? Let's arrange the numbers in increasing order. If we will write them in increasing order, the arrangement should be 5, 20, 41, 71 and at last 81. We did all these things. Now let's compare them. Now we will compare it and we can clearly see in our step 1 O and 20, these both elements are shifted. O 20 means this pair. The second pair, not the first one, we have skipped the first pair and we preferred the second pair. Okay, now come to the step 2nd. In step 2nd we can clearly see U and 71. See, U and 71, it is the third pair. Now again we skip the second one and we preferred the third pair. Okay, let's proceed on. A5 means now we come towards the first pair and then R and 41, that is the third pair, and then Z81, that is the fifth pair. So this is the logic in the given input. I hope the logic is clear, because our first target should be just to trace out the logic, then only we can implicate any sort of short trick or formula or anything. So the logic is, when we arranged all the words in alphabetical order, first letter of each and every word and numbers in increasing order, then we have seen the sequence. It is sort of, this arrangement is termed as alternate term arrangement. Alternate term arrangement means first pair is skipped and then second pair is preferred. then again third pair is skipped, and then fourth pair is preferred. Then when all these were over, then a question arrangement came towards the first pair, then first pair, then third pair, and then fifth pair. Now you have to keep in mind this logic. With the help of this logic only, we can simplify the below given input. Okay, so let's check out what is the given input. Okay, so now let's deal with some questions as per the format. Now the given input is this, and these are some encounter questions. I have written just for you that you didn't forget what sort of logic was there in the previous question. Okay, so this was the logic, and we have to follow this logic only in the given input. See, now my concerned area will be just a simple thing. To find out the questions or to encounter the questions, I will not write each and every step. I will just try to eliminate these steps in just a single line. Now let's see how. See, what the logic was, we arranged all the given letters in alphabetical order. So now we will do the same thing with this one also. So our alphabetical order will be something like F, M, P, T, and then V. So now alphabetical orders come as F, M, P, T, V. Now let's deal with the numbers. We will write numbers in the increasing order. So now the number came as 8, 19, 31, 62, and at last 91. See, now the logic was like this one. We eliminated the first pair and we preferred the second pair. So in this input also we will first of all prefer the second pair, then we will prefer the fourth pair, then we will come towards the first pair, then third pair, then fifth pair. Now we have to implicate this logic only in this given input. See, now as you all might be remembering that the shifting was like this, letters were coming in the left end and the numbers was going in the right end. We will do the same thing in this one also. Our first pair is M19, means M will shift towards the left end and 19 will shift towards the right end. So I will discriminate it as L1. L1 means in first step M went to the left end, extreme left end, and 19 as R1 means R shifted towards the extreme right end in first step. I eliminated it as L1 and R1, means this went towards the left end and this went towards the right end. Now we will prefer another pair, T62. This one is the second one. T we termed is at L2 because this is the letter and letter will go towards the left end and number will go towards the right end. L2, R2. Let's proceed towards the third pair. Our third pair is F8. F, again the same thing, F is a letter, it will go towards the left end. L3 and another number is 8, so it is R3. Another pair, P31, P, L4, 31, R4. We did it. Now the last one is V91, means L5, and this one is R5. Our arrangement is over. Now we don't need to write a single step. We can answer each and every step just with the help of this thing only. See, now the first question which they might ask or which they usually ask, how many steps was required to complete the given input? We clearly see that our last number was 5, L5 and R5. So the total number of step required was 5. They can ask you one more question. Which of the following was the last but one step? Last but one, they want to ask you which of the following is the second last step. Second last step, if the last one is the fifth one, then the second last is fourth one. Now let's deal with some more questions, bit are technical point of questions. The input was, the step was prefer for tennis this and this, etc. First element was P and the last element was 31. We can clearly see that we have a pairing of P and 31. It means that it is a step. It is not a rubbish sort of a step. It is a step. P31 is a pair. So, okay. P31, we can clearly see from our arrangement P31. Both are eliminated with the number 4. L4 and R4. So, this step is the fourth step. Now, let's deal with another question. Another question is saying, in step 5th, which element is fourth from the right end? In step 5th, they are asking 4th from the right end. Just imagine it. Actually, you don't need to do it paperwork. We can just imagine. But if you are in an initial stage, yeah, I hope you have to do some sort of paperwork. In step 5th, which element is 4th from the right end? 4th from the right end means R5, R4, R3, R2. 4th from the right end means R5, R4, R3, R2. R2 is your answer. R2, you can clearly see R2 is here in 62. So the answer of this question is clearly we can write here 62. I hope it is clear. Now let's proceed towards the another question. In step 3rd, which element is 4th from the left end? In step 3rd they are asking, and that also which element? 4th element, means you have to eliminate L1, L2, L3. We are not going to see any type of number which are dealing with 1, 2 and 3. From coming towards the left end, we will see which element is coming first, but other than 1, 2 and 3, this numbers. Okay, let's trace it out. 2, we are not going to count it. 1, we will not count it. Again 1, 2, we will not count it. 3, we will not count it. R5. This one is something sort of new number other than 1, 2 and 3. So our answer will be 91. See, with this sort of trick, there was no need of writing each and every step. We have simplified everything just in a single line. This is termed as, you can also say it LR rule. LR I mean to say left and right rule, or you can also term it as elimination rule. Elimination, we are eliminating each and every information, however we are getting it. So this was the trick regarding machine input. But remember, IBPS is becoming a practical with example. They are doing a lots of experiment. So this funda was applicable in this question. Why? Because in this question we haven't repeated any letter or any number. Each and every one was changing their position. But if any question comes like this, each and element, any word or letter is placed within its situation itself or within its position itself, that is, you don't need to eliminate it. Then what we will do? Then we are having another trick for that. But till then, you have to practice towards this trick, and you have any doubt, any question regarding this trick, then you can post it as your comment in the link given below the video. Okay, I hope this was clear. So this was all for today. Please subscribe our Adda 247 channel, that is in association with Bankers Adda and sscadda.com, and please download Adda 247 app from Play Store. And you have any query or any doubt regarding this trick, you can post your comments also. That's all for today. Thank you.